Hello everyone, this is Jaime. I just be here just to share with you my experience joining the cloud training offered by Patrick for all cloud enthusiasts. So what I can tell you guys is that before the training, I knew some cloud stuff, some terms, um, some basic tools, but I really felt the confidence to explain how cloud works or how can use those tools. So the training actually helped me a lot to grow professionally, and Patrick is a person that is really passionate about this world, and he is passion, and he explained in a way that made sense to me or for everyone, and also um, step by step, and explaining a real example, real situations in that time, because we use labs, we use AWS, so that was awesome because we can apply the theory in the practice. So it was really nice when we apply like virtual machines. We use IAM, like the identity access management, the PVC. We set the virtual machines. So we built a small cloud environment. So that was nice for my first time. So it was nice. And yeah, so the training is online, it's full online. So we can join anytime, anywhere. But the thing is, mm, to tell you guys, I met some great people in those labs, because there are more people joining that has more experience. When we had some issues building the things or the environment, we can share, we collaborate, and the people that has more experience can collaborate to us, so we learn more. That was really nice. And yeah, and now actually we are like a friends also. We chat, we continue talking about these things with some few people, so it's nice. And that is really teamwork actually. Yeah, so now I consider that I have a real a great foundation, where to start, how to start. And now I really feel confident how to explain this cloud environment works. So if you are really curious uh, how the cloud works, and you want to learn more and more and be more professional, so I definitely recommend the cloud trainings offered by Patrick. He's a really passionate person with cloud. I tell you, I know in person, so he's a really nice guy. I tell you guys, you're gonna you're gonna see that. And yeah, so just go for it, guys. Yeah, so I just wanted to share my experience. So bye, guys. Take care and see you. Bye.